We had an accuracy problem in the shop recently, and it was only over 3 feet, but we found something. For whatever reason, we were out almost a 1/16 of an inch and decided to check my measuring tape. I checked it against the same model, recently purchased, and I found that over 3 feet there was almost a 1/16 of an inch difference. I couldn't believe it. Well, that put Jake on a mission to go out and find a better and more accurate tape. What he found is made in Japan. It's called Tajima, and they actually market the fact that they have a very precise measuring tape. So we have 2 models that we're selling. I'm going to focus on this one. This is one I would call the shop model. Now it has a clip. I take that clip off. I prefer to not have that in my pocket. It just slides in and out a little easier. One of the big benefits and one of the big problems on measuring tapes is you drop it and that hook always ends up hitting first and eventually gets bent, and there goes some of your accuracy. Well, the Tajima model has a shock absorber on there. So if you drop it, that cushions the blow to prevent the clip from being, or the hook from being bent. The other nice thing about it is it's very clear and easy to read. Nice big bold numbers, black on white. It's a stiff tape. It's 16 feet long, which is a very convenient length, but it's not so big that it's cumbersome in your hand or in your pocket. Really good. I'm thrilled with this. It's got a reinforcement backing on the clip. It's just a really good tape. I wish I'd found this a long time ago. Tajima.